False poison dart frogs aren't even poisonous. False poison dart frogs aren't even poisonous. The jawfish mimics the mimic octopus's tentacles. Zone-tailed hawks mimic turkey vultures, lulling prey into a false sense of security. The bird-dropping spider looks like poop. The mimic octopus can imitate 15 different species, including lionfish, sea snakes, and shrimp. Some beetles have adapted to look like ants, meaning they won't appear on the menu. The common cuckoo lays eggs in other birds' nests, but the similar colors fool the bird into raising the chicks as their own. This cricket can camouflage around hungry ants.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.